students, again I'm back with a new video. Here we'll be talking about one of the last as well as most important topic in a spreadsheet, and that is charts. So you have seen charts, and generally in mathematics, the graph that we create, that we have learned, that is called as charts in Microsoft Excel or any spreadsheet software. So graph or the chart are basically the pictorial representation or the graphical representation of data in our worksheet. It becomes very easy for us to understand the data, to compare, to analyze, and to see the basic trends going up and down. And it's basically used in the different areas of our life. If you're interested in a cricket match, whenever there is a comparison to be done between the two teams in a cricket match, that is generally done with the help of kind of graph or charts that we call it in Microsoft Excel. The stock markets, the comparison of marks in particular examination, comparison of marks of different subjects of a particular student can be done very easily with the help of the charts. So we will be talking about charts, and we will be learning about charts. Charts basically looks like this. You can see this is a very common chart that we use it in Microsoft Excel. We'll be talking about this. Now whenever we have a chart that is created in Microsoft Excel, that will generally look like this, and it will have different components. It has got different parts, and each and every part of that particular chart has got a name. So this particular outline, the orange outline, you can see this one is the area where you can see the whole chart, and this area is basically called as a chart area. This is called as a chart area, and inside the chart area you have got the actual chart inside. That means only the thing that is inside, that is called as a plot area. That means the chart is plotted here. Then there are some lines here. You can see these green lines. Sometimes you might see the vertical lines also. Here we have got the horizontal lines only. These lines are called as grid lines. These are called as grid lines. And there are two axes, as you know. One is called as a y-axis. Y-axis gives you the value. This is also called as a value axis, and the other one is called as a x-axis. X-axis gives you the the category name, like what is that particular thing all about. And there is a data series. That this is the data series. It's excellent. It's written. Okay, it can be anything. Later on we'll discuss about it. And these are the data series. So we have got all together 1 2 3 4 5. These are the 5 data series, and there will be the topic of the chart, the title, that means why this chart is made of, for what purpose we have made this chart, and this is called as a chart area. And sometimes in every data series you might see a value on the top, and these value will be basically called as a data labels. So data labels will show you what is the value of a particular data series. Suppose this one stands for the marks of a subject, particular subject. Let's say English marks, how much value, that value will be shown here. So this is the data label. So this is all about the different parts, and here one part is missing, that will be called as a legend. Legend is something like index that we put it in our maps. So I'll be showing you how to create a chart, and for that I have made one small worksheet ready. This is the worksheet ready for you all, and I have made the worksheet ready just to create a small chart. Okay, so let us create a chart. And for creating a chart, what you need to do is you need to go to the insert, and before that what you need to do is just select the data. It's very important. Just select the data whose chart you want to create, and go to the insert tab here, and from the insert tab just go to the chart group. Just go to the chart group and click on this option where you will see all charts. Click on it, and from here you will see all charts. So these are the different charts that we have. These are the charts called as column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, XY scatter, stock surface, radar, tree map. These are some of the new type of chart that is added in the new version. Okay, so we have basically called the column, line, pie, bar, area. These are the different. So we'll be using the most common one. We'll not go to the complicated one. We are going to use this column chart, and in that column chart also I'll be using this one. This is called a 3D cluster column. So in that also we have got two. Which one to use? Okay, let us use this one. So I'll click on it, and I will be, this one I have selected, and I'll be clicking on the OK button. Now when I click on the OK button, what I see is my chart is on the screen. But when I see the chart on the screen, there are a few of the things missing, and that few of the things includes the chart title. So this chart title is missing, and so what I'm going to do is I am going to put the title for my chart, and the so this one is added. So my chart title is added. Now after the chart title is added, and if you want to do some more modification to this chart, what you can do is, you can do a lot of things in this chart. Okay, one more thing I want to show it to you. As soon as I click on the chart, you will see basically we have got the home, insert, page, layout, and this favorites, what I have added earlier. Now favorites is the last tab. Now when I click on the chart, as soon as I click on the chart, you will see two more charts that will appear here, and these two more charts includes the options for the chart. So these are the chart tools. So with the help of these two chart tools, what I can do is I can do a lot of things. Okay, so first chart title is added, and if you remember, I had shown you the chart components, and in the chart components we have got the title here. We have the title here as well, but it is missing here, so I need to put that. So first I'll put it. This one is the y-axis, and y-axis got the values here, that is the marks. So I can insert it from the design tab. Just go to the design tab, go to the chart element and axis title, this one vertical. So we'll put the vertical one. So this vertical one, these are the marks. So I'll just select this and I'll write marks obtained. In the same way, these are the names of the students, these are the marks. So I'll just put axis title horizontal. So these are the subjects. Done. Then after that, this one, you see, this one is basically called as the, remember what I told you, this is called as the legend. See, bottom legend. So where do you want your legend to be? Either on the left hand side or on the right hand side. Let's put it in the right hand side. See, this is the legend. Now this legend will show which color of the bar represents whom. So this one represents whom? Joe. Suppose I want to see this one, yellow one, this belongs to Gamso. Okay, this is how we do it. Okay, then after that we can do the formatting of the chart, and the formatting of the chart can be done from here directly. You can select the color combination, suppose this or this. Okay, if you do this, then your chart will be different. Okay, we have got some designs also, we have got some chart styles also. You can select the style of the chart. See, these are the styles of the chart that you can put. You can put the chart styles from here. Very simple. These are the styles of the chart. So when you put the stars of the chart, automatically all other things will also be changed. Okay, so suppose you want to change the formatting of the titles. It's very simple. Go to the home tab, and from here you can change the color, this, and the fonts is up to you. The same thing you can put it here like this. So you can do it, and there are more options available here in the format. So from here you can put a lot of options, like suppose you want to put the whole thing to give a new color or the new background by putting some kind of designs or the background or the pictures, something like that. So select the whole chart, go to the format, and from here say fill, and from here you can put some kind of designs from here. If you don't like it, you can change it. You can put some pictures in the background, and when you put some pictures in the background, you will see the pictures will come very nicely. Okay, I've got some pictures here. I'll just try to put those pictures in the background. Okay, I hope you did not like it because that picture was not good. I had another one. See this one. So this is how my chart will look like now. If you did not like this, you can put some more effects to it. From here, this picture, like this picture, you want a little bit transparent. You want to put some transparency like this. There are a lot of things you can do, that depends upon you. Okay, so how do you want your charts to be? Now there are other things that I would like to show it to you. Now after creating the chart, you did not like the chart. I mean, this one is the column chart, and from these you want the chart to be of a different type. So what you can do is just select, go to design, and from there what you can do is just click on the change chart type. Just click on the change chart type, then just go to the type of chart you want. Suppose you want a bar chart, select the type of chart you want. This one is selected, click on OK. Now you will see your chart type is changed automatically. You don't have to delete the chart and create a new chart like that. You just select the chart, change the chart type, and select the type of chart you want, whatever type. Suppose you want this, click on OK, and you will see the chart type changes automatically. Okay, now there is one more thing which can be done here. That is, as you can see, I have made 3 sheets here, 1, 2, 3, and this contains my chart. Now what happens is, due to the size of the screen, I will not be able to see the chart properly. I want the chart to be displayed in the full screen. So how can you do that? You can select the chart and you can go to the design, and from here you can click on the move chart. Click on move chart, and where do you want? You want it in the new sheet. XYZ, C3 and ABCD. So after that I'll be having one more sheet, and that contains chart 1. So click on it, and you will see the chart is transferred here. Now when this chart is transferred here, when the chart is transferred here, you will see the whole thing as the new chart. So this is how you can select the chart. Now as soon as you select the chart, you will be seeing these two tabs here. That will be there automatically, and from here again you can keep on changing the other things. You see layouts and the other options you can change. Now if you don't want these chart again, change the chart type, go back to the earlier one and click on OK. You will see the chart here. Now when you go over here and you see this layout can be changed. See, you can change the layout, you can change the design. It depends upon you. You can change the colors like this, and other things also you can keep on adding. From here you can add other things. Like I told you, there are only horizontal bars. If you want the vertical bars also, you can put the vertical bars as well. So these are the major horizontal and the major vertical bars. You can put the minor one also. Minor one means the even smaller ones. This is horizontal and this is the vertical. So main objective of these lines, that is the grid lines, this grid lines makes very easy for us to understand the marks. Okay, so this is all about the charts in Microsoft Excel, and this chart topic concludes our chapter of Microsoft Excel. So hope you understood everything, and if you have any doubts, you can send me a message and you can clear your doubts. Okay, so let's conclude the chapter. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay happy.